Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will go through the charts of Suzlon and analyze on a monthly basis where exactly Suzlon is heading and what's its next price which is going to be. Okay, so before we dive into the charts, let's go through briefly these 3 points which I mentioned on the screen. These are the base points for a proper market play. I wish I could know them 10 years ago, but here they are. Okay, let's go through them briefly. Understanding these points will help you to be a better market participant when you put your hard-earned money on the line. So let's get started with this. Point number one, understanding that the world is unpredictable. Okay, just by knowing that you can lose your hard-earned money at any given time is the best way to start. Okay, the reason being to say that markets are very simple. They go up, down, and sideways. When they go up, they go up. When they go down, they go down. But when they go on the sideways, it's very tricky. They pave their way to make, when it's on the sideways, it's something called gap up and gap down, depending on what zone I call them. They are on the red zone or the green zone. They gap up or they gap down. Okay, that's how the uninformed traders, they lose their money. So imagine in your long trade and all of a sudden you wake up in the morning and the stock is 20 points down. You have lost already 20%. So then the next point comes is the leverage. Taking leverage for trading is the fastest ways to lose everything. Why? The same scenario at the first, you are long and the stock gaps down 20 to 100 points down. You're already down your 100 points plus the leverage you have taken. So the amount of leverage you have taken will also drag you down faster, and the broker will close your position and he will look for you for his money. Okay, but point number three, knowing what game you're playing. Knowing what game you're playing is very important, because novice traders play one day day trading, one day swing trading, and the other day long-term investing. And when they're doing long-term investing, every 5 minutes they check at the charts, or if they don't know the chart, they check at the phone. What's happening? They're just going to make you nervous. Okay, keep it simple. If you're doing day trading, swing trading, or long-term trading, just keep it simple. So let's dive into this charts of Suzlon today. It's a monthly chart. You've seen everything here is not complicated. I have not put no vertical line, no horizontal line, no fancy indicators, no major support, no minor support, no major resistance or minor resistance, nothing. What I have created here is typically a math. The math bin is just the adoption rate of the Suzlon stock, just making it simple, minus the selling or what is called profit taking of the individual which trade the stock. And with that I have created an average which shows me which side of the market I am. Okay, I have kept it simple. So the math is simple, so just keep it simple. Okay, so let's head to where this the price next is gonna go. So let me show you. Okay, so we're looking at a monthly chart. All the candle what you see is one candle is monthly. Okay, so it has quite gone up drastically. I had a position and I wound it up, half of it I left for the play. So in 2018 and 19 I used to trade this stock when it went low of 1 rupee and 65 paisa, 170 I remember, and I used to day trade it to when it was still 2 rupees. So I had a position at that time and it kept on quite going up quite till 83. It was really nice. So half of it I took and half of it is here. So in this month you see it is a red candle and the market have already closed. So the price I'm looking at is 33 rupees. It's going to come to 33 rupees. Okay, the optimism which is going on at the market is the sentiment or whatever you call it is very negative. We are not trading the sentiment in the market, we're trading the charts. And the monthly chart, it shows where exactly you will get it, at what price you might get it. I'm not a financial planner to tell you to buy or sell. Make your own math. Okay, I'm just telling you the next price is going to come is 33 rupees. So what happens if this price is crossed? You need such a magnitude of positivity to hammer this through all the sellers and go up. That is what you need. That's why I say understanding that the world is unpredictable. Anything can happen anytime. I don't know, you can gap up open at 150. I don't know. But the way the charts are going, it shows me that it is coming at 33. Okay, buying or selling, that is up to you. So when I say that the markets are simple and you need to keep it simple, is because what happens with novice traders, they come in the market and they think they see some videos somewhere that somebody has made from 20 to million or 200 rupees to 1 lakh. I would just say use your common sense. Okay, they just come, put all the money in the markets and get hammered, and they are gone, and they say this is manipulated against me. Is nothing manipulated. You are in charge. First of all, you are in charge. In this game, you don't know who is a seller and who is a buyer. Point number one. So when you are in a losing trade, you are in charge. You are sad. When you are a winning trade, you are in charge. You are happy. Point number two, right? So whenever you have a headache, you will get a headache. You are in charge. And when you have a sleepless nights because you have made a wrong decision or it went against you, you will have a sleepless night, nobody else. So basically you are in charge. So the game in the market is to come on day one and stay as long as possible, as long as we walk on this earth. That's the game. We will all learn. These simple things I wish I would know when I started 10 years ago. But here am I putting, because everybody's optimism is so high that everything is going to go to. Don't sell your houses just for a house for next after 5 years or 15 years. Don't lose your house now. That's my whole point is. Okay, these candles can go on the sideways for a long time. Or this can just smear it up and go. Nobody knows. But the way it's going down, you see a price tag of 33 rupees is coming down. Okay. In the market, there is usually called something called spikes. That's how they threaten the one which is on the edge. The smart money, you see, if we are getting smarter due to information technology, what do you think the smart money will be? They will get smarter. So they come up with new things, like some of the people on the videos, they say the small fishes are being eaten by the middle fishes and the middle fishes are eaten by the big fishes. There's nothing like that. These are just spikes to shake the people out. Okay, even if this is a red candle, the next candle when it's coming up, it can spike through here, and even if the direction is lower down here, it can spike. All these people thinking is going out and they will buy, and these people who are the smartest money will sell here so that it goes to the regular price here and they can buy it back. So the game here is preparing yourself for a bigger opportunity, for what the smart money is doing. That's the real game. And the real game is to be as long as possible in this game. That's how your luck will play out one day, because you keep taking actions and you're there for a longer time. That is what I would say at this moment. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time, and God bless.